Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the Misti. Finally guys, I purchased this. I did a little splurge and I purchased this for myself to treat myself for my birthday in November, and it is now almost the middle of February and I still have not opened this, guys. I've been intimidated to open it. I don't know, but I spent a good little coin on it. This is an exclusive one from scrapbook.com. Now, for years, I've always heard great things about the Misti. I feel like it's kind of marketed as top of the line when it comes to stamping platforms, okay? So this one was made exclusively for scrapbook.com. You can only find this color at scrapbook.com, and it is the rose quartz color. And I'm going to be honest, guys, I was really waiting to see if they would get a pink one. So as soon as they got a pink one, I was like, okay, I got to snatch it. But I just couldn't bring myself to get it for myself until my birthday. So this is a little treat to myself for my birthday. Finally unboxing it, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. A stamping platform, guys, is really, you can do a lot of things with it. I want to do a lot of videos for you guys. I don't know if I want to do a series. Maybe I'll create a playlist when it comes to the Misti so you guys can see some different ways and things to do with it. I'm not sure how I want to do this video, but to start it off, I want to unbox it. So look at how beautiful. Again, I got this from scrapbook.com. This is a color exclusive to them. So you cannot find this color anywhere else but scrapbook.com. They also have a mini Misti that comes in like a hot pink. And I'm really hoping that that one comes in this rose quartz or another pink color. That would be really cool. Or even a black one for the mini. I wouldn't mind, you know, investing in a mini as well, because my desk is always full of things and space saving things are like good for me. So you can also grab this in black, and then there's a pretty like aqua teal color available as well. So look at the packaging, so cute. Most incredible stamp tool invented. Okay, designed in rose quartz exclusively for scrapbook.com. So you can only get it there. Here's the back, and it kind of gives you instructions on how to stamp. So let's open this. And guys, these platforms, if you're new to crafting, they are awesome for stamping, because for years I did not want to stamp because I was terrible at it. I would never get a good image, a clear image, you know what I mean? A crisp, nice, clean image. So this is, when you pull it out, this is how it looks. And so these stamping platforms are going to allow you to stamp in the same position over and over again until you get a perfect stamped image. Ooh, so exciting. So when you open it up, it's got this plastic. This was definitely an investment for me. I've tried a lot of stamping platforms out there, and everybody's always telling me this is like the best one to snatch. Okay, so look at how beautiful it is, you guys. You have this acrylic cover. And I watched a couple of videos on the Misti, and the original one did not have these metal hinges. So they've definitely made a lot of changes to this. The original one also didn't have like these color things available here. But everybody loves their Misti, guys. Even, oh my God, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at the grid. So first of all, the front cover has this beautiful grid, so you can line things up. They've included some My Sweet Petunia papers, grid papers. These are awesome for you to stamp on so you don't make a mess. It comes with this magnet. Oh my God, look at how beautiful this magnet is. It is engraved, and it says My Sweet Petunia. So beautiful. Okay, and then it goes here, guys. That's where you can store it. It also comes with this foam piece, which helps you with your stamping. So you guys can stamp your regular clear stamps. I'm not sure what the verbiage is for those stamps, but stamps like this, you can use, you're going to use this foam. And then thicker stamps, you can actually use those red rubber ones, those real thick stamps that we get. You can unmount those. Sometimes they sell them. I know a lot of Tim Holtz ones are like that. I think that I had one somewhere. I'm not sure where I put it. Here, I think I got one right here. Yes. So thicker ones like these that have the red rubber, you can take this out, and then you can stamp with these as well. So really cool. It's got a grid paper that is embedded underneath, which I love. I've seen some people laminate these so you can clean them off, the papers, the grid papers. And then it has this beautiful rulers, measurements, and the beautiful pink quartz. Okay. And when you turn it around, oh, it also has these corners. This was another change that they made to the original one. The original one didn't have these curved corners. Okay. And then the back has that foam as well. So I've seen a lot of people actually use this part for stenciling and stuff like that. But guys, how beautiful is this? Another a lot that I saw on videos when it came to the Misti, people say that this is kind of hard to grab, and so they take tape. Let me show you. Let me grab some washi tape. Let's go ahead and prep my Misti. So you guys can expect to see a lot more stamping on my channel, because I didn't pay for this for nothing, okay, baby? I gotta get my money's worth. So I will have this link down below. It is from scrapbook.com. It may be out of stock. I know the last time I checked it was. But guys, scrapbook.com is so awesome at restocking. Just hit the notification button to get notified. And as soon as it becomes in stock, snatch it. Again, it is available also in black. The mini comes in the hot pink. Of course, I cannot find my washi tape. Why would I find something that I need? And then that turquoise, really beautiful. The newest color is the turquoise. But this is the rose quartz, and it's in pink. I really don't know what I did with my washi tape. Oh my goodness. But that is the unboxing, guys. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to find my tape. And then I'm probably going to do another part. You know, I'm going to do one video, but I'll probably insert us playing with this. All right. But this is how it looks. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And I cannot wait to bring you guys some more videos and hopefully get you guys to start stamping with me as well. Okay. All right, guys. I found my washi. I picked up, this is one of my latest purchases from the Greetery. This is the 4-square Valentine tag set. We'll go ahead and use this as a demo for this video. I'll have it linked down below. We're going to go ahead and take one of our sheets, our grid sheets. And we will put it here. Again, I've seen a lot of people laminate these in older videos with the Misti, and you can like wipe them off. But you can always purchase those in packs, I believe. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set up our, this magnet is so beautiful, you guys. Oh my God, I don't even want to put tape over it. So they put this on there so that it's easier to grab. It's kind of, you gotta kind of like fidget with it a little bit. And so they take washi or any kind of tape, and I've seen them fold it over like this, and I'm going to actually do 2 layers. And this just acts as a tab so that you can pick it up easier. Okay. So instead of fidgeting, trying to like pull it up, you just grab it from the tape. Pick it up from the tape. Okay, so we'll store that there. Well, actually, we're going to go ahead and stamp. So I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to use a stamping platform. So we're going to go ahead and let's see, what stamp do I want to use? I want to do the Be Mine. I bought this specifically for the Be Mine and the Love and the XOXO. Everything else was a bonus. Okay. And I went ahead and I cut a piece of paper down to 6 by 6. You really want to utilize these edges, these corners. So I'm going to go ahead and pin it in the corner. That way, if my paper shifts or something, I can always stick it in the corner and it's going to be in the right position, okay? Let's go ahead and grab a stamp that we want to use. We'll go ahead and do the Be Mine. And you're going to go ahead and put it wherever you want to place it. So if you were doing a specific card, if you had an image here, you wanted to put the Be Mine here or wherever, you would go ahead and lay it down where you want it. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the corner here. And I think I want to, I'm going to try to like multi-stamp. And let's go ahead and do the love as well. And I'll have it right next to it, just like so. Okay, so you'll go ahead and you'll place your stamps down, and you're gonna place your stamps down with the part that stamps. There's a part that's embossed, like raised, and then the back is flat. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and place it down with the raised part down and the flat sticky side facing you, and you're gonna go ahead and close your platform, and you're gonna let those stamps stick to your acrylic cover. Okay, these are brand new stamps, so they're extra sticky. So you see how that paper moved? Just go ahead and put it in the right position. I'm gonna go ahead and rub these stamps because they are brand new. I think they call it seasoning your stamps or something like that. I'm new to this, guys, but we're gonna learn together. We're going to go through this together. All right. So now you're going to go ahead and you are going to ink up your stamps. You guys know this is my favorite color. The Distress Oxide and the Kish Flamingo. And I'm going to go ahead and get that nice. And I'm going to go ahead and not stamp it perfectly. I will just keep going until I know that the ink is fully on there. But I could tell that there's not some spots that are missing, which is perfect for this demo because I want to show you what this is all about, this platform. So we'll go ahead and rub that. And then, guys, they also sell stamping tools. Like, this is the one that I have from Pink Fresh Studios from scrapbook.com as well, and it kind of helps with stamping. You just do that. Okay, so you see that's not a perfect image, and that's what for years has stopped me from wanting to stamp. Okay, so let's go ahead and go again. And this is what these platforms are mainly for. I feel like they were made for this in particular, to get a perfect stamp image. So now I can see that I have it loaded up really well. I should get a way better image. And then we're gonna go ahead and press that down. And that, you see, that's so much better. I'm going to go ahead and hit it one more time. And the more ink you put, the more darker of an image you will get. So you can kind of use that to your advantage to get the most out of your ink. You can get several different colors out of one, several different shades out of one ink pad. Okay. So let's go ahead and close that. And look at that, so much better. Make sure it's in that corner. A nice, beautiful image, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna turn my paper, see if I can get, let's see. Yes, I'm gonna try to get the most out of my stamp, like mass stamp, if you will. So I'm gonna keep it in that corner. I'm gonna load my stamp up. I could even switch to another color and do red. So typically, if your stamp is not too big, you cut a 6x6 paper and you can mass stamp like this and get like 4 at a time. So again, keeping it nice in that corner. You see that's not perfect like I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this up. If you don't have one of these tools, you can also get like a wipe or a rag and slide it against your cover, and it'll help to stamp as well. Let's hit it one more time, you guys. One more time. And this is an oxide ink, so it gives like a chalky finish, which I love. But I need to start using my other inks as well. Look at how pretty. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn it again. Put our magnet. Load our sample ink. So if you guys have a Misti, leave a comment down below. Let me know what Misti you have. And let me know what you love about your Misti down below. Okay, see how that's moving? Make sure you keep it in that corner. We got to do it again because there's some spots missing. I hope that they bring this a mini Misti in this color. Oh my God, I will get that. Even though this one's a bigger, I feel like I need a mini one. All right, I think that's good enough for me. And again, I'm gonna turn it again. So I got 6 images, or is it 8? 2, 4. 4 of each, so 8. Go ahead and load it up. And again, I use a 6x6 piece of paper to do this. And as long as your stamp set, I think it's like under 3 inches. If it's under 3 inches, you can do this and get a lot done. Okay, making sure it's butt in that corner. Let's go ahead and load it again. I feel like I'm getting a better stamp when I glide this against here. Look at how beautiful, you guys. So gorgeous. Now we have, whoa, that magnet is so powerful. My glass mat is magnetic as well. And you can just store it on the side right here or leave it there, whatever you choose. I'm going to put it where it belongs. And I'm going to clean off that stamp. And look, guys, we have 8 stamps. So I'll go ahead and I'll place my dies on here and cut these out. And I went ahead and I mass stamped all these images to use on projects. So that's it for this video, guys. This is just my little unboxing, and I wanted to do some type of, you know, example for you. So that's basically how you use it for any beginners. And guys, hopefully you look forward to some more videos of me playing with this. I spent a good little coin on this, so I'm gonna get my money's worth, you guys. I think it's definitely something looking into. And I'm glad that I purchased this because I've been wanting to stamp more, and this is gonna make me do that. All right, so let me know how you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna be definitely showing you other things you can do with the Misti, and other tricks and stuff. All right, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Bye.